Hey guys, as we see, look at this. We're in Batavia, Illinois. So it's beautiful river, but it also is so dangerous. But look at the amazing, like it says danger, don't come over here. But look at this, like the waves. Look at how how deep it is, and also the powerful, like how much pressure is going there. Look, this is in Batavia, Illinois. It's beautiful. It's like 50 degrees. They also have a bench where you can sit. But look at this, the beautiful view. This is danger. Oh, look at that one! Like, wow, dangerous current. This dam can trap and drag you, trap you and drown a victim. So it's kind of crazy. Oh shit! It is dangerous. Look at that one. I don't think you want to date in here, but look at, it's fucking amazing.